I'm Stacy, and this is Coda. So this is not our normal video, our normal adventure video. As you can see, I am surrounded by clothes. And that's because when you go on an adventure, there are some things you have to do prior to the adventure. One of them being pack. And I'm gonna be honest, I literally hate packing. I hate packing more than anything else that we do to get ready for any kind of adventure. It typically is gonna take me sometimes a week just to think about it and to get everything done. I procrastinate, and then I end up with this. All these clothes that have to fit into this small suitcase, or they have to fit into a small camper. And so I started thinking about what I could do to make packing easier, make it more organized, make things actually fit. And I know there's a huge controversy. There's lots of opinions on cubes, packing cubes, but I found packing cubes and they changed my life. Coda and I are gonna do a quick video today to show you how packing cubes helped me go from this to this. So I purchased the packing cubes from Amazon for right around $20. And in the packing cubes, they come with, I believe it's 8 different cubes. So it all fits nicely into one small cube, but inside you have several different pieces. This bag is used for your dirty clothes or laundry. Now, it's not very big. You would have to not go very far, but that's what it's for. This bag is used for your undergarments because it is fully covered, so there's no mesh on top. So you're gonna be surprised at how much you can fit in these small bags. So I have all of my undergarments in this bag. They all fit nicely. This cube is actually for shoes, but I like to use it for my undershirts, for my tank tops, and for my bathing suit and my pajamas. You can see that you can put lots in these cubes even though they look small. You'll notice several of the cubes have a mesh that gives you some airflow. I use the largest cube for my bulkier items like sweatshirts, sweaters, jackets, things of that nature. The next size cube I use for my pants. Lastly, I put my shirts all in one cube. The last couple cubes are used for toiletry items, jewelry items, things of that nature. You can see inside it is sectioned off for your toiletries. And now it's time to pack it all in your suitcase, and it's kind of like a puzzle.